There's been so much hype going on about this travel bag online, so I just had to get one for myself and see what it was all about. So today we're going to be doing a full review of the BEIS Mini Weekender, and we're going to be going over everything like design, size, comfort, so you can decide whether or not this travel bag is right for you. So this is the Mini Weekender in Atlas Pink. There's also tons of other colors that it comes in, like navy, beige, gray. I think there's like green and a couple of other limited edition colors that they added there too. It's valued at $98 on the BEIS website, but if you sign up to receive their emails, you can get like a 15 or 20% discount code. In terms of the design, it comes with two shorter handles so you can use it as a tote. This larger shoulder strap, which is padded for comfort, so you can also use it as a crossbody bag. And this comes off too, so there's two pockets on the outside for easy access to important things, and the other is actually a trolley pull-through that can also be a pocket. The opening is a large framed opening that opens up all the way like a doctor bag, and then on the inside there's two smaller pockets, a zipper compartment, and a laptop sleeve. This is super neat. There's a key holder in here and the space is pretty big. It looks like it can fit a lot of stuff, which we'll test in a bit. Now for the best part, and the reason why I bought this bag in the first place, is the bottom compartment. This is super convenient, especially for people who are carry-on and personal item only travelers. This can be used to fit shoes, toiletries, and other clunky things that usually take up space in your carry-on. This is not the convertible Weekender, so the bottom compartment doesn't come off for this one, but I bought it for this specific feature, so I didn't really need to take it off anyways. But so you can see it's attached in the back right here, whereas the convertible Weekend, this entire bottom compartment comes off. And then there's this little metal feet at the bottom, so the bottom of your bag doesn't get ruined when you put it down, which is awesome. In terms of the quality, it seems like a very sturdy and good quality bag. The zippers are made out of metal, and if you can see the quality of the zipper, it glides right through, and then you have some wipeable material at the bottom, and then on the inside it is also very nice wipeable material as well. It's also super easy to clean. I actually accidentally got some pen on this a while ago. You can see it right over here. And ta-da! Now for the size, online it says that the bag is 16 inches wide, which is pretty correct. 15.7 inches high, which honestly it's more like 15 and a half. And then it says it's 8 inches wide, which is also pretty correct. Now one of the biggest questions that I've seen online about this bag is, can it fit under the seat as a personal item? So I did some research online, and here is a chart of the most popular airlines that people typically travel with, and whether or not this specific Weekender bag will fit under the seat and will be allowed as a personal item in terms of the size requirements for the airlines. If you are sort of debating in between the Mini Weekender versus the Weekender bag is too big to be taken as a personal item. That one usually people will use as a carry-on. Here is the size difference in between the two of them. So if you are kind of confused about which bag to get, just kind of decide if you want something that can be used as a carry-on or a personal item. Now for the fun part, let's see how much we can actually fit inside this bag. If you've watched any of my packing videos, you know I like to lay everything out in front of me, so I know I'm not missing anything. Let's start by packing the bottom compartment. This fits perfectly in here, which I'm super happy about because now it'll save me a ton of space in the carry-on. This fit about 3 pairs of my very small shoes. Also keep in mind, I wear a size 5.5 shoe, which may be a little bit different for you. Let's try to pack something a little bit bigger because I know I have really tiny feet. These are my boyfriend's Vans. He wears a size 10. So you can fit 1 pair of very big shoes in there, or a couple pairs of small shoes. So it's not too bulky at all, and it still zips up pretty good. Now let's pack the inside. Another big question that I've seen is about the laptop sizes. So I have a 13-inch laptop right here, big 16-inch laptop, and then I also have a 14.5 laptop, and we're gonna test out to see if these will fit in the laptop sleeve. Now let's go ahead and zip it. And here it is. Now, I'm super impressed by the amount of stuff that can fit in this bag. The only cons that I would say it has is that it is pretty heavy, so if you are carrying it as a tote or using the shoulder strap, you might get a little bit more tired versus using a regular backpack. And the other thing is that if you're an avid backpack user and you're typically used to having a water bottle compartment on the side of your backpack, this one does not have it, but you can't fit a fully sized water bottle in this bag. So if you were on the fence about getting the BEIS Mini Weekender, there you have it. I hope this review helped you make your choice. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any other questions about this bag or traveling with this bag, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.